Hi, this is John again. We wanted to give you an update on the changes on our layout since last time, which was about a week ago. We just finished working on the loop, all the wiring. We have all the track power in, and we'll go ahead and show the trains at the end of the video running. And I just wanted to show you some of the boards that we're going to be using. We'll show also the boards underneath that we hooked up. We have some switch machine boards that we're going to be using. That'll be the next thing we start setting up as a switch machines. We're going to be using Tortoise machines, which is pretty much standard for a lot of layouts. And then later on, through down the road, we'll also have some signal boards that we're going to be using for signals. And we'll show you the boards under the table. This is our command station here. And we also have a wireless device for our throttle. And this is the command station I just got recently. It's a Digitrack DCS 210 Plus. And back here we have our detection board. This one here has 8 sections on it that it detects. And then to the right of that we have our 2 reverse loops we have those reverse loop controllers in temporarily. We're going to get some replacement ones so we can also have detection on those reverse loops. And then we have another board over here near the computer that also has detection sections. And then we have on the computer, we're gonna have JMRI. I have it up just temporarily so we can do some testing so we can make sure the commands are going through for detection and transponding. And the other thing, we'll go ahead and run some of the trains, and then we'll show you one other project that we're working on the layout. So I'm going to run the F unit in our cab forward just a little bit just so you can see what we've done. So this cab forward is an Intermountain cab forward that we've had for a while. We have to do some programming on it so it runs a little bit smoother because it takes up to step 35 before it actually starts moving. So once we get the programming track set up, we'll probably be reprogramming this particular engine. And like I mentioned before, everything we have is pretty much 30-inch radius, mainly for the cab forward and also our northern that we have. This is a Walters F7 A&B F3. Sorry, it's a A&B unit from Walters that we've had for quite a while. Okay, we'll also now show you the bridge that we're going to be working on. And show you what paints we're going to be coloring the bridge. This is a Walters truss bridge that I've had for a long time, that we've actually had on 2 different layouts prior to this one. And we're going to be painting it silver, which a lot of the SP bridges were painted silver, either silver or black, but silver is the one that I prefer. And then we're going to paint some rust on it, so we have some rust colored paint that we're going to be trying. So that's it for this week. Hopefully next time it'll be the Taurus switch machines that we'll be installing that we'll give a review about. Talk to you later.